U.S. drug company Pfizer says it will buy the biotech firm Medivation for $14 billion or $81.50 a share. Medivation specializes in cancer treatments, and the purchase means Pfizer will be able to add the promising late-stage prostate cancer drug Xtandi to its portfolio. Both boards have approved the merger. Pfizer's offer for the San Francisco-based Medivation represents a premium of just over 20% to Friday's closing share price of $67.16. The transaction is a snub to the French pharmaceutical group Sanofi, which had recently offered $58 a share for the company, a move that Medivation rejected last month. The company also produces the new breast cancer drug, Elazaparib. It is currently in a phase 3 study, the penultimate stage of clinical testing, when the drug is assumed to have some effect. The purchase, if approved by regulators, will be Pfizer's biggest buy since it bought the medical device company Hospira last year for $17 billion.